Hello everyone and welcome to channel. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that allows you to make money online by using chatbots. It is easy to use and can help you generate passive income without much effort. With ChatGPT, you can set up automated conversations with customers, providing them with helpful information and answering their questions. This can help you build a loyal customer base and increase your sales. Additionally, ChatGPT allows you to monetize your chatbot by charging customers for access or offering paid services. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to make money online, ChatGPT is definitely worth considering. There are several benefits to having a ChatGPT as a content creator. Automation. ChatGPT allows you to automate certain tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions or providing customer support. This can save you time and allow you to focus on creating content. Increased engagement. By using chatbots, you can engage with your audience in real time and provide them with personalized experiences. This can help you build a stronger connection with your audience and increase their loyalty. Monetization. ChatGPT allows you to monetize your chatbot by charging for access or offering paid services. This can be a great way to generate additional income as a content creator. Data gathering. ChatGPT can help you gather valuable data about your audience, such as their preferences and interests. This can help you create more targeted and effective content. Overall, ChatGPT is a valuable tool for content creators looking to automate tasks, engage with their audience, monetize their content, and gather valuable data.